See what this person said about this issue. What do you think? What do you think? Just listen to what he said about this issue and tell me what you think in the comment section.
Do you know that Nigeria is the only country in the world where government official, former can be standing trial for corruption, billions of money, and that person can go to court to collect their passport to go for Umrah to pray? Do you know that Nigeria is the only country in the world where someone standing for corruption in court can go to that same court to say, Judge, give me my passport. I want to go and pray in Saudi Arabia and come back. And prosecution will say, yes, we trust him. They trust someone they took to court. Do you know that Nigeria is the only country in the world where you can do corrupt case or corrupt cases for close to 10 years and you are still in court? Your big file can shrink and slim to one sheet of paper, just your charge sheet. All the evidence don't disappear. Do you know that? Do you know that Nigeria is the only country where corrupt official can steal your money for hospitals, but when he's in court, he can go to court and tell the judge he's going abroad with your money to go and treat himself and come back to continue the trial? Is the only country in the world. Do you know Nigeria is the only country in the world where people with illegal money that you don't know the source, can donate to your campaign and you'll be clapping for them? You will not ask them where the money come from. You will even make them campaign directors. Only country in the world. Go and check corruption index now. We don't even go down 2 steps, showing that corruption in Nigeria is allowed. People will steal money meant for your hospital, for your own health, but they can take their passport and tell the judge, I'm going to treat myself outside, when they failed to give you hospitals in Nigeria. We never ready. Nigeria is a place where they steal people's commonwealth and spend it in front of you.